This thing might not look like much, but it's gonna be a beast. What we have here is a 2005 Super Duty, and our plan is, I was gonna derby it with the 6.0 diesel in it, but unfortunately somebody gave me a good price for the 6.0 and they came and removed it, so couldn't say no to it. It's not very clean, guys. Like, she's seen better days. Just a bit of better days there. Bit of better days. But what we're gonna do is, I did buy another vehicle that's coming. And what is that other vehicle? That other vehicle is actually a 6.0 Chevy. That's right, we have an LS on the way for this. So the 6.0 Ford is sold, the 6.0 Chevy going in, that transmission going, the Chevy 4L80 going in, two-wheel drive, and I'm kind of excited for this, guys. I have never done a truck before. As of right now, I'm gonna derby this, but if anything comes up, it's like if something crazy happens, it's gonna disappear, unfortunately. But as of right now, 2023, I'm gonna be doing a Super Duty truck, and the money from the 6.0 diesel is gonna help purchase a 6.0 gas with a 4L80, and then we're gonna slam it inside this truck. So big things coming. The truck might be a turd. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, the truck is a turd, but hopefully this is gonna be fun, boys and girls. Hopefully we can get out there and do some half-decent derbies. So, guess what, guys? Part 1 of the Super Duty build has began. Well, I guess we're actually past part 1, because part 1's buying the Super Duty. Part 2 is getting rid of the engine, because, you know, I didn't really want that thing in there anyway. That's not true, I would have derbied it with the 6.0. Part 3? Maybe? Another 6.0. Oh, there's going to be so many goodies inside this thing. So much goodies. Well, that's a blanket. Please do not be like dead bodies and stuff in here. Alright, so we have to go through this thing and see what's good. That's a winch controller. I might keep that. But we're going to go through this van. Buddy said he took everything out of it that he wanted. But we are pulling a 6.0 out of that, and we're going to put a 6.0 LS into it. So we got to get this motor out of here and transmission, because it's a 4L80, and I'm not sure what we're going to do with it yet, but I know it's got to come out. Oh, this thing is huge. I'm not used to bringing vehicles home this big. That's what she said. No, a little rusty. I should derby the motor inside this car, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to take a van in the ring. I want to be cool and have a Super Duty. So I just ripped the motor out of this car, but what we're going to do now is we're going to drive back this 6.0 LS, and we're going to go through the van, see if there's anything good in there. My theory is it's just going to be a whole lot of garbage in it. We're going to try to fill that thing up as much as we can, and then shove it on the trailers to take it into scrap. Okay, so Buddy told me that there is a secret to starting this van. And the secret is, you take this screwdriver, and you just, there's like a buzzing sound in here. Something's using electricity inside here. Just kind of jam that little bugger in there. Oh, almost. Okay, there we go. So there's our key. 513,000 on it. Well, if anything, she's well broken in for the derby. Okay, I just want to throw that tire in the trailer, because then I can load the Maxima. Oh, I left the back door open. What the heck is that? Oh my god, there's an air freshener. There's 2 air fresheners. We're keeping those. Okay, so I don't really know where to start in this thing. It's pretty bad. Like that's a dirty diaper. We won't touch that. But like, some of this stuff is useful. Like that's some shoelaces. Like this is, like that's twine. I don't know what I'd ever use it for, but I want to keep it. G.I. Joe, keep it. Drive set, keep it. Sunglasses. That's a tough call. 14 mil, keep that. It's going straight in the pocket. 15 mil. Keep that one. Like, full thing of coffee creamer. I don't think I'm gonna really mess with that. We're gonna go through this thing and see what we can find. Oh, this is a grip. That's not that much. Oh, little Torx bastards. Well, let's go through this van and see if we find anything cool. Oh, there's the ignition. Buddy said it tried to get stolen out of his driveway. Well, let's go see through this and see what we can find. I'm probably going to keep you, even though you're a little dirty. I can clean you up. If I find anything interesting, I'll let you know. Staples. See, like, this is the stuff that I'm going to probably keep. I think you're just a little air compressor. I'm not going to keep you. I don't need you. Buddy didn't tell me that he did this. The whole back of the thing is cut out with like a plasma cutter all the way up. So that's a bit different. What we're going to keep is the tuck tape. I got a couple gear clamps that are located all around this thing. You guys know that you're supposed to put a lot of gear clamps on your derby cars. The price of these gear clamps is going through the roof. I used to pay like 59 cents for them. Now they're like $2 each. So we got some gear clamps. We got some wrenches, 1 inch, 20 mil, half-inch ratchet, sorry, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 ratchets. Found some cheese strings. Don't think I'm going to eat them. Found some weights, 10 pound and a 2 pound. Milwaukee battery, that's kind of nice. I don't know if it's any good. I found like a TV or something. Not going to use that. Full can of brake clean. Full can of brake clean. Nice adjustable. You know, a applesauce. Small pipe wrench. Wrenches. Screwdrivers. Some wire cutters. Oh, I must have cut my hand. Flathead screwdriver. Star screwdriver. Torches. Some rockets. Some random sockets. Some AN fittings. Full brand new tube of grease. Never even used. Axle grease. Gonna keep that for the trailer. Half a watch. I don't think it's worth anything. I think it's just like a Chinese watch. It says guess on it, but I'm like 100% sure this is fake. Like 100% sure. And lots of garbage. But what we're really... Oh, we got some ratchet strap. Now this ratchet strap was actually holding that 10,000 pound winch to the seat, and then it was ratchet strapped to the seats. So he must have been pulling stuff in the back of the van with the winch. I don't know what's going on. He never mentioned anything to me about this winch, so looks like I have a free winch. Yay! Yeah, there's even some wrenches in there. But what we're really after is this thing. That's right, it's a 6.0 Chevy. Nothing too important, guys, like nothing crazy out there nice about this. It's just, I need one for the Super Duty, and it's got a 2-wheel drive, 4L80 transmission. That's what I was told. I don't even know where the hood latch is on this thing. That's not gonna open. Let me open the hood. We just got the hood open. This looks like it was used to carry water. You have a radiator. Oh no. Sealer. Water bottles. More water bottles. I bet you this thing started overheating on us. I don't know. It runs good now. It's got a brand new alternator on it. I don't want to mess with this. Oh well, screw it. We've invested a little bit of time. Now we're stuck on it. We're stuck here, boys and girls. No changing things now. We're stuck forever and ever. Oh well. Okay, so now that we got everything done, let's try to start this thing up so we can put it away. Okay. Oh. She's got a little bit of hotbed noise. Not as bad as it could be though. Okay. I have no idea where I'm going. Out of the way, hopefully. So it's already got the VAT delete. But we just have to get her a little spicy and go from there. Okay, so she's rev happy. And she's already stuck. Well, I think it's time to turn her off because we've got her good and stuck. Alright, I think that's too far. No, that's too far the other way. I think that's about it. Holy. Well, she's still got a little bit of spice in there. But that's my fear here for the trucks, is just going to be getting her stuck. Oh, buddy. Did she ever just dig a hole? Oh, these, I forgot. These are Buddy's like brand new tires. I can't be wrecking those on them. Sorry, buddy. No more of that. But with one vehicle coming in, one vehicle's got to leave. So we went through, we found all the goodies inside that van, and we're going to be getting it ready for scrap. But this Maxima, unfortunately, is going to be heading to scrap. And probably here next week, if the weather gets a little bit nicer and I can work outside without my hands freezing, because it's only about -7 today, and I'm just out here in like a sweater, we're going to start pulling the motor out of that van and then pull this Super Duty back, because the Tacoma is in a very good spot, guys. We're going to be driving that Tacoma out of the garage pretty shortly, hopefully. I pray that we do that shortly. Oh. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys and girls.